अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं डॉक्टर माहम और आज हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं KMU 2024 फर्स्ट एंट्री टेस्ट। एंड यस, एज ऑलवेज आपको मिलेगा फुल पेपर विद एक्सप्लेनेशन। अगर आप DPT, फार्म डी या नर्सिंग का टेस्ट देना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए गोल्ड है। चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं। So here comes the question number 1, that is, syphilis is caused by spirochete called. Correct answer is option A, that is Treponema pallidum, because syphilis is caused by spiral bacteria, and that is Treponema pallidum. A monohybrid cross will result in phenotypically dominant individuals. Correct answer is option C, that is 3/4. Because monohybrid phenotypic ratio is 3 dominant and 1 recessive. The genes for AB antigen are present on chromosome number 9, while the genes for H substance is present on chromosome number. Correct answer is option B, that is 11. Because ABO genes on chromosome 9, H gene that makes base sugar is on chromosome 11. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contains 16 grams of oxygen, correct answer is option C, that is 0.50, because 1 mole carbon dioxide has 32 grams oxygen, so 16 gram oxygen is equal to 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not electromagnetic in nature? Correct answer is option D, that is anodic rays, because anodic rays are particles and others are EM waves. Which of the following molecule has zero dipole moment? Correct answer is option C, that is BF3, because it is symmetrical trigonal planar dipoles cancel out. Which of the following compounds has the highest ionic character? Correct answer is option A, because F is the most electronegative. The electronic geometry molecular shape considering only the positions of atom as. Correct answer is option A, that is trigonal pyramidal. Because for the molecules of NH3, only atom positions give trigonal pyramidal shape. End-to-end overlapping of orbitals give rise to the formation of. Correct answer is option A, that is sigma bond, because head-on overlap forms stronger sigma bonds. The units of second order rate constant are. Correct answer is option B, because for the second order units are concentration over 1 and time over 1. Anthracene is isomer to. Correct answer is option B, that is phenthene. Correct answer is option B, that is phenanthine, because both have formula C14H10 3 ring PHAs. A container with porous wall is filled with 1 mole each of helium, hydrogen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Which one of these gases takes the least time to diffuse out of the container? Correct answer is option B, that is H2, because according to Graham's law, lighter gas diffuses faster. And H2 has the lowest molar mass, that is 2. If maximum value of principal quantum number for an atom is 4, then total number of electrons in an atom will be. Correct answer is option A, that is 32. And you will calculate this by the formula of 2n square. The exact reactivity for carboxylic acid derivative is. Correct answer is option D, because reactivity depends on the leaving group. and the chlorine here leaves easiest. Oxidation number of hydrogen can be, correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Because hydrogen has +1 oxidation state in water and -1 in metal hydrides and 0 in H2. If the following liquids are at the same temperature, then liquid having least vapor pressure will be, correct answer is option D, that is heptane C7H16. Larger molecule, stronger forces and lower vapor pressure. You have to memorize this. For a reversible reaction, the catalyst increases the speed of, correct answer is option C, that is both forward as well as reverse reaction to the same extent. Because catalyst lowers activation energy for both directions equally. A body executing simple harmonic motion has a maximum acceleration of 12 meter per second square and maximum velocity of 6 meter per second. The amplitude of simple harmonic motion is, correct answer is option B, that is 3 meters. Here you will use the formula, that is A is equals to V max square divided by A max. The fundamental frequency of a string is proportional to, correct answer is option A, that is inverse of length. Because longer string vibrates slower, so it has lower frequency. If the distance covered by a particle is zero, then what can we say about its displacement? Correct answer is option C, that it must be zero, because no distance covered means no movement, so displacement will be zero. The angular velocity of the hour hand of a watch is, correct answer is option D, that is 0.52 radian per hour. An alpha and deuteron enter perpendicular to uniform magnetic field with same velocity. Then ratio of their radii of circular path is, correct answer is option B, that is 2:1. A person holds a bucket of weight 50 Newton. He walks 7 meters along the horizontal and then climbs up a vertical distance of 5 meters. The work done by the man is, correct answer is option C, that is 350 joules. Here you'll use the formula of work done against the gravity, that is F into H. Release of energy from the sun is due to, correct answer is option B, that is nuclear fission, because sun produces energy by fusing hydrogen nuclei into helium. A body is released from top of tower of height 80 meter. The time taken to reach the earth is, and if you neglect the air resistance as well, so correct answer is option D, that is 4 seconds. So here you'll use the equation H is equals to 1 by 2 gt square. A terminal which is not connected with ground but its potential is assumed zero is called, correct answer is option B, that is virtual ground, because in op-amps, because in OP lamps this point behaves like ground but isn't physically connected. Which of the following law explains the dependence of EMF established in a coil and the change in magnetic flux? Correct answer is option B, that is Faraday's law. Because Faraday's law states that induced EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. As an empty vessel is filled with water, its frequency, Correct answer is option A, that is increase, because water reduces air column length, and shorter the column, higher the frequency. The ratio of speed of sound in neon to water vapor at the same temperature is nearest to. Correct answer is option C, that is 100. A ball tied to a string is swung in a vertical circle. Which of the following remains constant? Correct answer is option D, that is Earth's pull on the ball. Because weight is equals to mg is constant here. Whereas tension, speed, centripetal force changes with the position. I am hoping to hear dash soon. Correct answer is option D, that is some news. Because news is uncountable, so we use some here. What is the meaning of amnesia? Amnesia means loss of memory. So here the correct answer is option A. Amnesia means partial or total loss of memory. So brunette means correct answer is option B, having dark hairs. Because brunette is a person with dark brown or black hairs. A claustrophobia person is the one who. Correct answer is option A, that is fears of closed spaces. Which of the following is synonym of oxymoron? Correct answer is option A, that is paradox, because oxymoron means two contradictory words and closest meaning is the paradox. Education is inalienable right of every child. The underlined word means. Correct answer is option C, that is inherent, because inalienable means cannot be taken away, means it is being inherent or is someone's basic right. Malpighian tubules convert nitrogenous waste into. Correct answer is option C, that is uric acid, because in insects Malpighian tubes excrete the nitrogenous waste as uric acid. Animal of phylum Porifera are characterized by. Correct answer is option B, that is cornocytes, because Porifera are the sponges and they have coinocytes or sinusoids with flagella for the feeding. The most appropriate term to describe the life cycle of Obelia is. Correct answer is option C, that is metagenesis. Because Obelia shows alternation of generations. Polyp is asexual and Medusa is sexual, so they combinedly gives us the metagenesis. Intrinsic factor stimulates the absorption of. Correct answer is option B, that is vitamin B12, because intrinsic factor secreted by the stomach is needed for vitamin B12 absorption in the ileum. Electrical impulse in human heart is originated from the. Correct answer is option A, that is sinoatrial node, because SA node is the natural pacemaker. It generates impulses first. The interval of pacemaker signal from SA node to AV node is. Correct answer is option B, that is 0.1 second. Because a delay at the AV node is about 0.1 seconds, it is just because to allow the arteria to empty. The cell-mediated immune system consists of T cells originated in the bone marrow but moves to the dash when their development is completed. So correct answer here is option C, that is thymus, because T cells mature in thymus and B cells mature in the bone marrow. Vaccines against diphtheria and tetanus are. Correct answer is option A, that is toxoids, because it's the vaccine uses inactivated toxins called the toxoids to produce the immunity. If 19.4 ml of oxygen is carried by 100 ml of blood, then blood shows how much saturated. Correct answer is option C, that is 97% saturated. Because 100 ml blood can carry 20 ml oxygen when 100% saturated. All of the following is true for muscle contraction except correct answer is option D, that is A band reduced, because in contraction A band stays the same. Whereas H zone I band decreases and Z lines come more closer. Haversian canal system is characteristic feature of, correct answer is option C, that is bone, because Haversian system are structural units of compact bone. After transmission of impulse condition through synapse neurotransmitters, adrenaline is hydrolyzed by, correct answer is option C, that is monoamine oxidase, because adrenaline and noradrenaline is broken down by MAO and acetylcholine by cholinesterase. Resting potential of a nerve is, correct answer is option A, that is minus 70 MV. It is the standard resting membrane potential of a neuron. The cells of the testes which produce testosterone are, correct answer is option B, that is Leydig cells, because Leydig cells in the testes produce testosterone, whereas Sertoli cells nourish the sperms. उम्मीद है आपको पेपर समझ आया होगा। तो बच्चों, अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक करें, डीपीटी वाले दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि केएमयू 2024 सेकेंड टेस्ट आपसे मिस ना हो। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।